Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce for wings. Start by gathering fresh peppers, vinegar, garlic, salt, and a neutral oil, then sanitize your workspace and tools. Roast peppers until they blister, then blend with vinegar and garlic to a smooth texture. Simmer gently to meld flavors, season to taste with salt and a touch of sugar, and cool before bottling. Shake before using and label with the date. Begin by washing and coring peppers, then have them to expose more surface area for roasting. Use a hot skillet or broiler to char skins evenly, turning until most of each pepper is blackened. This adds smoky depth. Let peppers steam briefly in a covered bowl, then peel and remove seeds if you prefer milder heat. Always use gloves when handling hot peppers to protect your skin, and wash hands thoroughly after. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy kitchen timers, music, and hands-free control while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. You can pick the color you like. Also hit the bell for new uploads. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Combine roasted peppers, vinegar, garlic, and a small amount of oil in a blender to create a velvety base. Taste and adjust acidity with more vinegar or sweetness with sugar or honey, balancing heat with butter or oil if making a wing sauce. Simmer briefly to marry flavors, then cool to check final seasoning. Strain for smoothness if desired and bottle in sterilized jars for serving. Label each bottle and refrigerate to extend shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.